Hello students, welcome to the DK Institute of Mathematics. So in this lectures we have start the real number system chapter in real analysis. So before start the lectures, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, the DK Institute of Mathematics. So now we can start the real number system. We know that in real numbers there are two types of numbers. The first is a real number and second is complex number. The first is a real number and second is complex number. We know that there are two types of number in real analysis. The first is real number and second one is complex number. So in this lecture, now only the study of real number system, only the study of real number systems, and second one is complex number. Complex number is generally denoted by Z is equal to A plus IB, where A and B are the real numbers. And complex number are denoted by Z. So before start the real number system, first the basics to start. What is the set? The definition of set. The collection of well-defined object is called as set. The collection of well-defined object is called as set. What is the set? The collection of well-defined object. The collection of well-defined object is called as the set. Object is called as set. What is the set? The collection of well-defined object is called as set. Generally the set is denoted by the capital letters A, B, C and D. Capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D. And the elements of set can be written as the small elements. That is small a, small b, small c and small d. That is, what is the meaning of this? This small a belongs to capital A, this small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B and small c belongs to capital C, and also small d belongs to capital D. It is called as the set. The collection of well-defined object is called as set. The set is denoted by the capital letters capital A, B, C and capital D. And the member of this capital elements of this set, capital A, B, C and capital D, are generally denoted by the small a, small b, small c and small d. Also the set can be written as in capital letters in alphabetical orders, X, Y, Z, etc. It's called as a set. Commonly, also we know that commonly the specific set can be denoted by in set theory. The first is capital N, the set of all natural numbers. The set of all natural numbers. The set of all natural number. Capital N, the set of all natural number. Natural numbers क्या होते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is called as the set of natural numbers. And the second one is the capital R. What is the capital R? The set of all real number. The set of all real numbers. And third one is the capital Z. What is capital Z? the set of all integer. Set of all integer. And what is a capital C? The set of all complex numbers. The set of all complex numbers. Set of all complex numbers. And the capital Q. What is the capital Q? The set of all rational number. The set of all rational number. The set of all natural numbers. We can written as in generally the capital the set of rational numbers. What is type can be denoted or write that is P by Q form. P by Q, and Q is non-equal to 0, and Q is non-equal to 0. Then this is called as the set of rational numbers. And second, Q complement. Q complement. What is Q complements? Is reverse the rational or irrational number. The set of all irrational numbers. Set of all irrational number. In generally, the sets specific sets can be written as the capital letter. The set capital N, the set of all natural number, and second one capital R, the set of all real numbers, and third one capital Z, the set of all integers. And for the C, capital C, what? The set of all complex numbers. Complex number can be written as Z is equal to A plus IB, where A and B are the real number system. And Q, the set of all rational number. rational number कैसे लिखते हैं? P by Q के फॉर्म में. And Q is non-zero. And Q complement the set of all irrational numbers. It is the notation of the some specific sets in written as set theory. Then again we can define the subset. Then we can define the subsets. What is the subset? What is the define the subsets? And every element of set A. Set A is an element of set B. Every element of set A is an element of set B. Set B is called as a subset. Is called as subset. Every element of set A is an element of set B is called as the subset of. It is denoted by A is a subset of B. क्या? A is a subset of B. And every element of set A is also an element of set B. Is called as the subset of A. Then again we can define the equal sets. What is the equal set? An element of set A is an element of set B. An element of set A is an element of set B, or an element of set B is an element of set A. That is A is equal to B. When we said that the equal set, an element of set A is an element of set B, or an element of set B is an element of set A. That is A is equal to B. Then we say that the A and B are the equal sets. Then we can define also the null set. Null set क्या होता है? Then we can define the null set. There are no elements in set A. Consider, we suppose that the given sets A and there is no elements in set. there is no element set A, then we can say that the set is called as the null set. Then set is called as the null sets. So there are no elements in set. No element in set A. No element in set. No element in set A is called as null set. It's called as null set. No element in set A is called as null sets. Null set is generally denoted by the phi, the empty sets, denoted by phi or in curve brackets, that is like this. No elements in set A is called as null set. अगर जिस एलिमेंट्स में कोई भी एलिमेंट्स ना हो तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे, नल सेट्स बोलते हैं, and denoted by phi or this curve bracket as like this. And another second we can define the next definition of the singleton set. The singleton sets क्या होता है? Singleton set. Singleton sets. There are only one elements in set A present. It's called as the singleton sets. अगर एक ही एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है अपने सेट में तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे, सिंगलटन सेट बोलेंगे. Only one elements can be present in this set A is called as singleton elements. Only one element present in set. Only one elements present in set A is called as singleton sets. Singleton set. For example, 1 small a small b. There as like this example, singleton set 1, singleton set A, singleton set B. And in this the elements are only one elements are present. Then this is called as the singleton sets. Here in this example the only one elements are present, that is only one. And second, in this sets also the only one elements present, the small a. And in this sets as like this only one elements present in sets small b. Then this is called as singleton sets. We know that the next definitions of the real number system. What is the real number system? The real number system. A real number system. So we can define the real number system. There are the combinations of rational number and irrational number. It's called as the real number system. The combination of rational number plus irrational number combination of rational number plus irrational number is called as the real number system. The real number system is called as the real number systems. So we define the real number systems. In the real number system, the combinations of rational numbers and the irrational numbers present, rational number and irrational numbers is called as real number system. So it's called as the real number systems.